Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Alhambra 2 litre TDI 150 PS DSG finished in Moonstone silver. Car comes with a fantastic specification which includes daytime running lamps, front parking sensors and headlamp washers, and front fog lights. Car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, has an indicator built into the mirror housing. It's also previously glass as standard, panoramic glass roof and silver roof rails. The rear of the car has parking sensors, rear reverse camera and electric tailgate. Loading space at the back, which can be improved by dropping the third row of seats. Has the optional tow bar and 12-volt power source in the rear. Both side doors are electric. Has a full black leather interior with Isofix as standard on each seat. Also picnic tables. Both outer rear seats on this model has the child seat integration. Has 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in, automatic lights, electric driver's seat with memory function, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The vehicle's covered just over 3,800 miles, has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calls with satellite navigation. Also heated front seats and dual climate control, push button start and keyless entry, electric handbrake with hill hold, another 12-volt power source and a centre armrest. If you'd like any further details on this car, to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40, and thanks for watching.